before we knew our differences. We knew kindness before we judged. We loved. Love begins when strangers become neighbors. Love never asks permission. It simply moves. Love brings us together. Love brings smile to the lonely. Love gives quietly. The girl asks, "Why do people look different?" The woman replied, "Flowers bloom in many colors. Yet together they make one beautiful garden." Love isn't built on perfection. It grows through patience, kindness, forgiveness, and the simple moments we share. Every smile, every embrace, every act of grace reminds us that love always comes first. Love brings community serving together and celebrating together. Love changes generation. Love isn't measured by words. It is measured by the lives it transforms. We all carry different stories, different histories, different journeys. But before fear, before misunderstanding, before division, there was love, and when we choose it again, love precedes all. Love is patient. Love is kind. 1 Corinthians 13. Love is a deep affection for someone or something expressed through care, respect, and commitment. Love is a choice to stand by someone, support them, and seek their happiness even when it's not always easy. Love is an emotional connection that brings two people together through trust, understanding, and shared experiences. Love is unconditional acceptance, embracing someone's strengths and flaws without trying to change who they are. Love is an act of kindness, shown through patience, forgiveness, generosity, and compassion. Love is the language of the heart, speaking through actions more than words. Love is the foundation of meaningful relationships, built on honesty, loyalty, and mutual respect. Love is a journey where two people grow together while encouraging each other's dreams and goals. Love is finding peace in someone's presence and feeling at home wherever they are. Love is the courage to be vulnerable, trusting another person with your heart. Love is giving without expecting, offering your time, care. Love is the bridge that connects souls, overcoming differences through understanding and empathy. Love is the greatest gift, enriching life with joy, hope, and purpose. Love is seeing the best in someone even during their most difficult moment. Love is not just a feeling, it's a daily commitment to nurture. Love protects and it's enduring. Love is God and God is love. If we are of God, we are to love. 1 John 4 verses 7 to 8. Dear friends, let us love one another, for love comes from God. Everyone who loves has been born of God and knows God. Whoever does not love does not know God, because God is love.